not scared. You do genital piercings here too?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I bet that's awkward.
It can be pretty awkward.
What do you think, Mom?
Works
We
for
got
me.
ready. Ready.
Here's your cleaning in case you're a bleeder.
Ooh, in case I'm a bleeder. You think I'm a bleeder? I bet I am. Bet I am.
I don't think
Do I
so.
look bad?
Oh, your nose is all
the-
red.
This is just a case needle,
Okay.
so I'm not poking anywhere else. And you're a bleeder.
Mm.
You would make it difficult.
Is that blood that I'm
Wow,
feeling?
you are a bleeder.
Is that blood I'm feeling? Oh, I'm
That
crying. That's
that
embarrassing.
and the tear running down your face.
Guys, don't look. Gosh, dang it.
You have some pretty eyelashes. Those are yours?
Yes, they are.
Look false.
Makes me sick.